Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Raisa.
Raisa, where are you from originally?
I'm originally from Mumbai. How about you, Alex? Alex, what do you do for a living?
I work in marketing. Raisa, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother. Alex, what's your favorite hobby?
I love playing the guitar. How about you, Raisa? Raisa, are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl. Alex, do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. Raisa, what's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm a big fan of Italian food. Alex, what's your dream travel destination?
I'd love to visit Japan. Raisa, do you enjoy reading any favorite book?
Yes, I love reading. My favorite book is The Alchemist. Alex, what's your go-to snack?
I can never resist a bag of potato chips. Raisa, favorite movie or movie genre?
I enjoy romantic comedies. Alex, are you a coffee or tea person?
Definitely a coffee person. Raisa, any favorite type of music?
I love pop music. Alex, what's your favorite way to unwind after work?
I usually go for a run. Raisa, any hidden talents you'd like to share?
I can speak 3 languages. Alex, do you enjoy cooking?
I do, especially grilling. Raisa, favorite childhood memory?
Family vacations by the beach. Alex, do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, I have two. Favorite quote? Raisa, beach vacation or mountain retreat?
I prefer the mountains. Alex, what's your preferred mode of transportation?
I usually commute by bike. Raisa, sunrise or sunset?
Sunset has a magical vibe. Alex, are you more of a planner or spontaneous?
I like to plan things out. Raisa, favorite childhood cartoon?
I loved watching Tom and Jerry. Alex, iOS or Android?
I'm team Android. Raisa, do you have a favorite app on your phone?
I'm hooked on Instagram. Alex, do you believe in aliens?
It's a fascinating idea, but I'm not sure. Raisa, what's your guilty pleasure TV show?
I love reality cooking shows. Alex, winter sports or summer sports?
I enjoy winter sports like skiing. Raisa, favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip is my weakness. Alex, favorite board game?
Monopoly is a classic favorite. Raisa, do you play any musical instruments?
I play the piano a bit. Alex, what's your favorite color?
Blue has always been my favorite. Raisa, sunrise jog or evening stroll?
I prefer an evening stroll. Alex, favorite superhero?
Spider-Man has always been a favorite. Raisa, early bird or night owl?
I lean more towards being an early bird.